Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to convert PNG to vector in Photoshop. So first come down to the layer, then hold Ctrl, then click on the layer. Or you can do this by going to the top left corner, then right-click on this first option. Then go to PNG, then right-click on it, then click on Make a Work Path. Then press OK. Once you have done that, go to this selection tool, then right-click on your PNG file. Then click on Create Vector Mask. Then, this is going to create a vector of your file. Now you can click Ctrl, then you can make your vector bigger. Then as you can see, it's not blurry. Now it is a vector. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be facing similar issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.